How many of you want to heal your life completely and transform it to a better version? Write me in the comment section if you really want, because I have a magical technique which can transform your life completely. In this video, I am going to explain you what is Ho'oponopono and how it works. Before starting, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Shamrita Pandey, mindset coach, corporate coach, NLP expert and a healer. So let's get started. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian healing prayer first introduced by Dr. Hawaiian. Ho'oponopono is used to remove all your negativity and negative emotions from your life to balance it. When there are certain imbalance in our energy field, we start to have problems in health, relationship, career, money, every section of our life. So by using this technique, we can remove all the negativity and can give a proper balance in our life. There is a very interesting story behind this magical technique. Once Dr. Hawaiian was invited by a mental asylum to treat a particular section. In this section, all the patients were criminally insane. They not only harm others, but they also harm themselves. In a month, Dr. Hawaiian cured all of them without a single dose of medicine or even by meeting them. They were cured completely. And within a year, the whole mental asylum got closed because he cured all of them with this magical technique. This magical prayer have only 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Using this again and again can eliminate any kind of negativity. How it works? It's very simple. Every word have its own vibration. The words like sorry, forgive me, thank you, love you are the most high vibrating word. When we use this together, we get a very purest and unique form of vibration which can eliminate any kind of negativity. So use this prayer again and again on your problems and remove all the blockages from your life. Or if you want to change your life in 30 days, you can also join my advanced course. Link is given in the description. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon because every day 8 p.m. I'm going to coming up with a new helpful video, so don't miss it. Or if you want solution for any specific problem, you can write down in the comment section and I will make video on it definitely. Till then, please take care of yourself and I will see you in the next video.